Ka Sorkar jelah kelapan benar bagi Jingpynrung ya Aadhaar Mynta kalong ke Donkam ban yo i Skhim Jong Sorkar Pdeng kentup ya ke MGNREGA bagi Jing Sam Kau Rashan bad hadien ke Jing Petha nak Sorkar Pdeng. Menteri Ketenat CNRD u 80 Mondal ulapan pa buat tangkawe ke Jingpynrung ya ke job card ak snong kala bang keta ke Jingpyntoy nak Bynta ke than berok kowe. Kat ba ke jelah kala tha ayu ki video bantu klar shipor u Mondal ula banjur bo Aadhaar ulong ubedon kambha banyo ke bobon ki skim na Sorkar Pdeng. Hinre dangsyan ke Meglaya High Court kala rai bo Aadhaar la ban long tang ka ID na kabenta ki Jingpyntoy. Da ka baptha ay ki borsen shar ban Pdeng ki lat ki lenti kum ka PAN card ka voters ID lani ka passport.
Government is there. We never make mandatory for Aadhaar for availing any benefits from the state government. Okay, so far it is like that. So there won't be any problem from our side. But Government of India made mandatory for Aadhaar linking with job card as far as MGNRS work is concerned, with the ration card as food civil supply work is concerned. So that is the take. From our side, we have not made that it should be made mandatory. But we are requesting that if we want to avail those benefits, then it is a necessity.